Hello and welcome to Easy Step Cooking. Today I will show how I prepare these lemon cups. Let's go to check the ingredient list. Okay, and please remember, before we start the recipe, please thumbs up and subscribe to support the channel. And now let's go to start this easy recipe for dessert. I will put the sponge cake in the bottom of these cups or glasses. Now I'm going to use this aged ram to dip the sponge cake. You can use 1 tablespoon in each one. And next I will put the lemon pie condensed milk. This is very tasty. So first the sponge cake, then the aged rum, then the condensed milk, and now the whipped cream. Okay, and now we are going to repeat the same thing. We are going to mounting by layers. Sponge cake, then the aged rum, now we will put the condensed milk with a lemon pie flavor and the whipped cream. And now to finish, I'm going to put a decoration of cinnamon powder. You can use also cocoa powder, it's very tasty. And for a better taste, you can put this dessert 2 hours in the fridge, and then you can enjoy these exquisite lemon cups. Thanks for watching and see you next video.